Hey everyone, it's David at Finish Line Factory. Here's the Miata that I have, turbo Miata, built engine, turbo, and it's still leaking oil, even though I replaced the cam seals and the crank seals. So I'm running out of seals to replace. So what I think it is the oil pan seal. Easiest way to get to that is oddly enough to pull the entire engine again. So there's a way you could do it. You could go from under the car, remove the subframe and all that, but on jack's hands, it's kind of more of a pain in the ass than it's worth. So we're just going to pull the entire engine. I also have a brand new clutch and flywheel to put on, so we're going to take care of that. And yeah, we're going to do it. So there's going to be just a lot of back and forth, so I'm not going to really talk much. I'm just going to set the camera in the background and just do a time lapse. So watch this. Alright, so we're about halfway done so far. Motor is out on the stand. Rocky went to his house to get a wire wheel so I can put it on my drill and clean up the mating surface of the oil pan a lot quicker. It turns out that what was happening, the oil pan gasket consists of two half moons that seal the front and back of the motor, and then the sides are covered with silicone, RTV. The rear gasket and possibly even the front gasket got pinched during installation, and that was the leak. That's all it took. So I've got new gaskets ready to go on. Rocky's going to get the wire wheel so we can clean it up. We have the new flywheel prepared, and we've got the clutch over there. So yeah, I guess all I gotta do now is put everything back together and should be good to go. guys, so transmission's ready to go. The flywheel is on, the oil pan gasket has been replaced, fresh RTV on it. We're putting on the dust cover, and then we're gonna put the transmission on and put everything back into the car. So let's see where we're at. Looks like Rocky got a lot of this stuff done. I was working under the car, so I got the dry shaft, the power plant frame hooked up, some other stuff under the car, connections. I still need to connect the wiring harness to do the oiling system. Put the radiator back in, run the cash cans, to hook up the downpipe. Still got some work to do, but it's getting there. We're almost done. We're in that final home stretch, and then I'll be able to take the car off with some test runs. So, alright, let's get to it. Alright. So we've made some very, very good progress on this car. Still a couple things left to be done. The radiator didn't get shipped in today on time. It's actually getting in a couple of days later, so I'm going to save that for another video. I've got the transmission filled, engine oil filled. Of course, got to get the radiator in order to do that, but fill the cooling system. But I'm going to let it sit for a little while. I'm going to make sure that no oil drips onto the ground, because that's kind of like half the reason why I pulled the motor in the first place. It wasn't just to do the clutch. I could have just pulled the transmission to do that. It was so that I could fix the massive oil leak caused by those stupid oil seals on the oil pan. So whatever, all of that's fixed now. I hope. Please don't leak, please. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out finishlinefactory.com. We've got fittings, hoses, weld bungs. If you own a shop, scroll to the bottom of the website or check the description below. There you'll find a link to our wholesale application so that if you have a shop, you can sign up with us and buy our fittings, hose ends, weld bungs, all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out. We've got all kinds of good stuff. We've got PTFE swivel fittings. I mean, look here, we got a dash 12, 120 degree swivel hose end. So if you need to make that connection, we've got it. We've got weld bungs, hoses galore. So check us out, finishlinefactory.com. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm beat, I'm tired. Let's get out of here. So see you guys. Bye.